So the Wānanga Mana Rangatei is designed specifically to develop the next generation of cultural leadership within Ngāti Apa ki te Rātō. It's a conscious effort on behalf of the iwi. These forums no longer occur naturally within our tribe. Therefore, we need to consciously develop them. People from within Ngāti Apa ki te Rātō who have a strong sense of cultural pride. Mana Rangatei has been going for the last 3 to 4 years, and already we've seen a significant change in the next generation of cultural leadership, emerging cultural leaders coming through our ranks. Okay, normally we do a little bit of a mihi thing. We're going to do a real short version of that real soon, so that's not your full plan pepeha, but it's just a simple kia ora, my name's Kylie, and I'm looking forward to this wānanga.
Kia ora, my name's Manai, and this is my first time on this trip.
Hey, my name's DJ, I'm really looking forward to this.
Kia ora, my name's Pitoli Kalani, and I'm looking forward to learn new things on this trip.
Kia ora tātou, my name's Caleb. Those 3 beautiful girls are my niece. And my little cousin Tahu. I've been wanting to come on Mana Rangatei for ages. I've been hassling Kylie to hook me up with a patch. He said I actually had to come to get one, so I'm here.
Who am I today? I'm caught beneath the shadow. Nothing I can say for who I'll be tomorrow. So tie me downward bound,
You can stand up with the
pull me on the tracks, but you still won't run me.
We were all patched up with our Ngāti Apa ki te Rātō Mana Rangatahi hoodies, and then we boarded the bus and off we went for Kawatiri.
Pulls me to the side to tell me it ain't. I'm not alone. I just want you I'm not alone. I just want you So what is going on? Someone told me how I was Cause I am not myself, and myself is not mine. So cover me in red, raise me overhead, but you still won't see me.
Our first stop was in Rotoiti, and we got out there and went over to the water and freaked out some of the tourists by performing some karakia and having a bit of a mihi to our wāhi tapu there. And the place stopped and everyone turned and looked and watched as these colourful Maoris were down by the water doing incantation.
So day 1 for Mana Rangatei, well, this Mana Rangatei, we left Blenheim, left Marlborough, We had whānau that came from throughout the rohe. Then our first stop was at Rotoiti and Rotorua. As we know, there is a significant connection between Ngāti Ki Te Rātoa and that area, and in particular the towns Roto Pōhueroa, Roto Maire Whenua. So we stopped there, we gave the kōrero there, we mihi to our tipuna and to the Pātaka Kai, Rotoiti, Rotorua, and then we headed over to the coast where we stayed for the next couple of days.